Good morning, everyone. Okay, usually I come here live to educate everybody, but this time I want you to be inspired. I actually met this independent business owner when she presented on one of our masterminds. Mastermind meaning doon nagkikita-kita yung mga independent business owners like me. Tapos may magpe-present, they will share their story, they will share their strategy on how you are going to improve or be succeed or get the success on this business. When I seen her, usually nakikinig lang ako sa earpods. Nakikinig lang ako kasi multitasking nga. I'm a mom when I started the business. I have a 1-year-old toddler yon. Laging makamami. So, lagi lang ako naka-podcast. This person, when I hear her saying about her journey dito sa digital business, I was caught up with her attention because she was very articulate. She was very calm. Yung salita niya talaga. I started the business with a very skeptical mind. Pero pag nakarinig ako ng mga taong yung integridad nandun sa mga sinasabi nila, they will get my attention. So, I get my laptop, pinanood ko yung laptop ko, and then I listen to her. Ang laptop ko noon, because I never been into a digital business, so ang laptop ko noon super old pa. So, I checked this lady who is doing the presentation and I watch her. And then tapos ang pinaka natatandaan ko sa sinabi niya, she's a RN, registered nurse. She's an RN. Pero ngayon, tinatawag niya pa rin yung sarili niya as RN because she's a retired nurse. Tapos sinabi niya rin na she has a grown-up kids. May 24 years old na siyang kid. Tapos, so I look at her, sabi ko, grabe, meron na siyang ganun ka edad na anak, pero she looks so beautiful, she looks so young. Tapos, knowing na she is an ER nurse, sobrang stressful nun. Being a nurse, being on the health industry, you are not just physically and emotionally exhausted. Pagod ka talaga. Pero she's been like on the health industry for many years. So doon ako nakinig talaga sa kanya and I said, this person has integrity. She is not going to join or start this business if this would not align into her values. So nakinig talaga ako noon. And like I said, I started the business with a very skeptical mind, pero I stayed plugged in sa kung ano man yung finifeed nila ng training at saka mga strategy sa business. I listened. I listened to her. You know, pag sinabi nila na God make way on how you are going to meet people, I have seen her a while ago. I couldn't even remember how long it was when I seen her. Like I said, I seen her, I watched her. I never talked to her. Pero ngayon, alam mo yun, God makes a way na makilala ko siya more. Tapos ngayon, she was she given me her time para mapunta dito sa business page. You don't know how fortunate I am and how honored I am to bring you on my page. Like I said, I was inspired and you are one of the reason why I said this business aligns with my values. Because nung nagkukwento siya ng journey niya, sabi ko, iba tong business na to. You know what? This is just, I said, a short introduction, but no one has a better introduction if I bring her in. Let's bring Ruby Rose. I'm not going to mention your name. Hi, Ruby. Thank you so much.
Go. Me, you introduced me 3.57 seconds. 3 minutes and 57.
That is how I like you.
That's how long. That's so long. Me, thank you so much. Oh, Lord, thank you so much. I'm humbled. Bakit sabi ko, why? Why me? Of all people, why me? But, first of all, okay, let me start with thank you so much, Mimi, for inviting me. And it is an honor. I'm humbled to share screen with you today. Good afternoon from Norway. Good morning sa inyo dyan in Canada. And good afternoon to the rest of the world. My name is Ruby Rose Allison. I am a wife, as Mimi has said. I am a mom to 2 grown-up girls and a nurse by profession for 33 years. I'm old already, Mimi.
Hindi halata.
And thank you sa business na ito. And I'm originally obviously from the Philippines, and we migrated here in Norway 23 years ago. What can I say? I am now the CEO of my digital business, doing this full time because our Enya, retired nurse, just last year, October. So after 8 months of being in the business, since the time I started, I decided I'll give this full time. And 19 months after, wow, I can just say I'm living the dream life. Thank you,
Grabe.
Mimi.
I
Thank
am
you,
really so
Mimi.
happy to see that kasi sabi ko, you're nurse for 32 years. I mean,
Yes.
I know, parang how, I know I read your story somehow.
Mm-hmm.
Like,
Mm-hmm.
we are all open, we are all transparent
Yes.
here sa digital
Yes.
business. What you see is what you
Mm-hmm.
get, whatever we share, yun talaga
True.
us. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
and I know you mentioned na, syempre, I mean, you're not just a nurse. Nasa emergency
Yes.
service ka.
ER.
Imagine the stress. Oo, ER. Imagine the stress.
Yes.
Hindi ko kaya
Mm-mm.
maging nurse kasi madali ako magpanic. So imagine yung emotions na control na ginagawa mo, 'di ba? Parang and you've been doing that for 32 years. Tapos sabi mo, you have to not to skip but parang naghanap ka ng way para medyo ma-calm down and that is writing, right? You
Yes. I
wrote.
journal. I journal.
Oo. Yes,
Mm-mm.
ang
Mm-mm.
tanong, paano mo nakita yung business na 'to, yung digital business? How did you learn from it? Paano
Oh, wait.
na-introduce sa'yo?
Oh, paano ko nahanap ito, right?
Yes, paano mo
Um,
nahanap?
yeah. As what you have said, me, being an ER nurse is not an easy job, especially
Oo.
when you are a senior, senior, matanda na, no? Senior ER nurse. So you can just imagine how worn out I was, how emotionally, physically, and mentally exhausted. I come home crying, I wake up crying, I get nervous. Marami ng instances na siguro ko natuloy yun, hindi ako nakauwi na or wala ako dito ngayon. Twice nangyari sa trabaho ko. So I look for
Wow.
a way, really. Nasabi ko, nothing changes me if nothing changes. We have to do something. Kasi hindi naman yan,
Oo.
hindi naman tayo
Yes.
si Juan, right? Wala namang
Yes.
bayabas na mahuhulog sa atin. We have to look for an avenue, right? So,
Oo.
hindi lang po pwede na magreklamo tayo ng magreklamo because little did you know na kung magsige tayo reklamo sa workplace natin, sa husband natin, sa pamilya natin, it affects the people around us as well. To the point na you're shooing them away. So I said na I have to look for something to help me change my situation, my circumstance, no? So of course I searched online me. Kasi,
Okay.
'di ba, where else can you go, right? But online. Since dito sa atin, there in Canada and dito sa Norway, parang digital na lahat, right?
Oo,
And I
yes.
don't want to go back to having an employer again, me. It's the politics, inside the
Yeah.
workplace, and they just give you this little paycheck for the 1,000 and for this 1,001 effort, 1,001% of your effort that you give.
Yes.
We give when we work. You know that you've been in the industry mo in the
Sa hotel ako actually, sa
right.
hotel, yes, hotel and lodging
Yes.
accommodation ako.
Yes. So imagine that when we work, we give our 1,001%. Our life, our emotions, So for that little paycheck na hinintay mo
Oo,
kada.
yes.
But when you are someone who knows your worth, worth tayo more than little paycheck. So I looked for a way. So I naghanap ako online. Actually, nakita ko may nakita akong advertisement from Canada. No, someone from Canada 2 years ago. But I did not mind it, because for some reasons.
Yes.
natakot ako to turn my back from my top salary, me.
Oo.
That's fear. Oh, that's fear,
Yes.
right? That's fear.
Yes.
And then I know that during that time, God was already pulling me out. But because of fear, which I did not realize, does not come from God, right? So, talaga, sige, nagsige pa rin ako. But later, nagkasakit ako, me. I battled a lot of health issues. Talagang, when you're tired and exhausted, your body will scream at you. That's the time na talaga naghanap ako uli, and I did not find that woman from Canada, and I found my mentor from France sa kanya advertisement on social media, and she seems so sincere. She seems I thought she was sincere, and ano ba, yung advertisement niya came from her heart. So sabi ko, she sounded the same as with that Canada woman. So I jumped in, and she said, she was quick to answer, and that's what I really want. No? Na nag-inquire ka, and then she's quick to answer, and sabi niya, our membership of $149 is refundable. So I trusted her, right? So I trusted her word. Naisip ko, okay, kung mawala yan, 149, it's okay. At least I took the risk. Yeah? Kasi kung hindi ka mag-take ng risk, wala talaga mangyayari. So I hopped in. I watched the 3-hour na pre-coaching videos. Parang sabi ko, oh wow, I'll start kaagad. Kasi alam mo bakit, me?
Wow.
Yes, nakita ko kasi eto, me, I didn't have problem with our partner company. Alam mo bakit? Kilala ko na sila noon pa, naririnig ko na sila noon pa. 50 years in the market, right?
Yes.
So, established na yan, me, sa akin. Sabi ko, wow.
Yes.
Okay, one check, right? But naisip ko, what has it got to do sa ating online na platform, right? So I dug deeper. I did my due diligence. Hindi lang ako nakinig sa sinabi niya sa akin.
Yes.
Because talagang I need to have my own wisdom. And of course, we have to ask God if this is the right path for me, right? I paid the $149 after 2 weeks, me. My business was up and running. I was excited.
Wow.
I was excited. So that's my history. That's my story. That's the story why I found this business. Yun.
Since you shared it, kasi ikaw parang 2 weeks up and running na. Ako, I mentioned I started with a skeptical mind, and I'm not actually looking for opportunity. That's the problem with me. Not naman problem, pero yun yung naging issue sa akin. Because like you said, right, hindi tayo worth ng paycheck lang. Hindi tayo worth it lang. Ako noon, I never think of that. I never knew that I could do more. That there's so much more for me. Because I settled with an okay life. Yung tipong, okay na ako, total, nakakakain naman kami, kung ano yung masend kong tulong. I'm not going to do anything more about it because iyan lang yung kaya kong isend na tulong. So, wala na akong magagawa doon. The others are for my family already. So, I did okay. Is okay life. I settled on an okay life. Tapos, like I said, God would really reach out to you on how you are going to see the business. Ako, I'm not looking for opportunity kasi ang akala ko, ang mga opportunity lang na pwede sa akin, yung na magdadagdag ng extra income, is to look for another job, to look for a second job. Like I said, meron akong little one. Ayoko na mag-trade ng time for money kasi gaya nga ng sinabi mo, di ba? The reason why you find an opportunity is because when you get home, pagod ka na, wala ka ng time para sa pamilya mo. Tapos you get sick pa. So, ako, sabi ko, I'm not going to look for another job kasi time flies. Lalaki agad yung mga anak ko na hindi nila ako nakikita, yung ganon. So, hindi na ako nag-look for another job. I am a mom who just usually like browsing on what recipe to cook, what crafts to do for my kids, gano'n. Nagche-check lang ako, gano'n ko lang ginagamit ang social media. Do'n ko lang ginagamit ang online space sa mga gano'n-gano'n lang at saka to update my family in the Philippines as well.
In the Philippines,
But then
yes.
I've been seeing ads. I've been seeing ads and these ads makes me parang sabi ko, "'Tong mga taong 'to napaka-gullible." Parang konting ano lang, magse-sale na, mag-aano na, alam mo 'yun? So, hindi ko pa
Yes.
rin siya tina-trust. I even changed my Facebook settings so I'm not going to see those kinds of ads. Gano'n ko siya
Oh, wow.
binlock. Gano'n ko siya
So you
binlock
were
kasi
that
feeling ko,
skeptical, ano?
I am that skeptical. I am that skeptical. You know, sabi ko, God really knows His way kung paano niya ako
True.
i-pursue dito sa business na
Pursue,
'to.
yes.
My friend from Denmark reached out to me and said, "Me, may side hustle ka ba?" Sabi ko,
Oh,
"Wala
okay,
and
from
I'm not
Denmark,
looking for one." Kasi nga
Oo.
ano na, may restaurant na kami no'n. Sabi ko, "I don't have time kasi sobrang busy na ako." Sabi niya, "Check this business because I know this business will fit your lifestyle." So, pinanood ko siya, nag-stay ako, tapos gano'n pa rin. Sabi ko, wala mga ano lang 'tong mga taong 'to, mga madali lang mabilog ang ulo, madali lang ma-manipulate, gano'n. Kaya sabi ko, wala, hindi. Pero I stayed plugged in with a skeptical mind and I'm also doing my own research. The research that I made, I did not ask my friend. I made my own. Like you said, you mentioned you have your own wisdom to check.
Yes.
So that is what I did. Like I said, I check it with an open mind. So
Yes.
marami akong nakitang mga bad reviews, bad ano sa business. But then when I dig deeper na yung mga tao na yun, wala siya sa inside. Yung mga tao na yun, they don't know about which company we are affiliated to. Wala silang alam. So what they are saying is just based from their opinion. Doon lang
Exactly.
yung exactly right. But me, I am inside. And then knowing people like you, knowing other people, like we are all come from all walks of life. We have single mom, we have firefighters, we have engineers, we have doctors, we have celebrities, we have pastor, we have nuns, we have soldiers,
Yes.
we have police officers.
No, name any profession that one can think of. Andito.
Exactly. So sabi ko, ako nga nag-research eh. For sure, yung mga taong yon nag-research din before they started their business.
True. That's really
So
true.
sabi ko, eto yun. Yeah. So yun yung kwento ko. Aside from that, I know at the backstage we are actually celebrating on your business because you have mentoring another digital business owner. There are some people who wanted to change their life for this time because you said nothing changed if nothing changes. And I know you have helping. I want to congratulate you for that because you're building an empire. Not empire. How am I going to word that? You're helping people to change their lives. Andyan ka.
Yan ang mission
And
natin.
Yes,
Yan ang mission
to serve
natin.
people.
To serve.
Yes.
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 So,
Bukod doon sa ano pa yung masasabi mong greatest achievement na binigay ng business sa'yo? Alam ko marami, pero you could mention a few.
Okay. One of which, with the status that I am in right now, that qualifies me to earn 5 figures. That's just one. But the moat. Thank you, Lord. Pero I want to emphasize to everybody that we are not a quick rich business. Business has to be grown by you. Ikaw ang magdidilig, ikaw mag-plant, ikaw magdidilig, aalagaan mo mabuti para mag-grow ang business mo. So talagang nakita ko kasi na the potential of our online business, no? Nakita ko na ang high potential niya, and besides, yung income natin is not capped. Walang limit. No?
Yes.
Walang limit. Sabi nga ni isang business partner natin sa Oregon, no? I was interviewed a few weeks ago. Sabi niya sa akin, "Ate, we can write our own checks, right? And that's really true. How much you want to earn, you work for it and you'll get it. So, those are just, hindi yan ang pinaka-main achievement ko, me. Ang pinaka-achievement ko talaga, me, is to see na kung ano kahati yung ibang mga yung natulungan natin, who are our business partners, na nawala na sila doon sa, alam mo yun, sa, may parang something na sila to fall back on should things go worse sa trabaho nila or sa health nila. And besides, and besides, this is, they'll be working sa life, a long-term na asset that can be passed on sa next generation, no? Tayo na mga magulang, iniisip natin palagi, ano kaya ang maiiwan ko sa mga anak ko? Aside from the values that we are teaching them. Right?
Yes.
Kasi we are in this world, money is a tool, assets, it can be a tool to help them na sa buhay din nila, no? Para naman hindi sila mahirapan, So we are working on a lifetime asset, long-term asset, no? Na pwede natin i-pass on. So alam mo yun, yung peace of mind na nakukuha ng isang business partner once they have hopped in here. They're working on their business and then they're working on the legacy para sa mga anak nila. And one achievement to me, ito talaga itong masabi kong pinakamataas ko na achievement. This is the 2.0 version of Mimi. I have learned a lot of values. I thought I had those values before, pero this business has really changed me. It has molded me to become, I should say, a better person. I am better than who I was before. Values, virtues mo, ang skills mo, and of course, we, again, friends, like you become my friend, and marami tayo sa community dito from all corners of the globe. Yun talaga, for me, that's so valuable na masasabi ko talaga na hindi yan nabibili ng pera. So those are just one of 3 of the achievements na masabi kong thank God sa business na ito. This is indeed a blessing para sa atin, no? If only people can see, the beauty of this, they will surely thank us for, sharing this with them. Yun.
Yeah, just like you mentioned, right? If they can only see the beauty that we see on this business, like you said, you are the version 2.0 now. Like me, when I started doing live, because when I started my business, wala akong goal kundi ang maging successful sa business na to. So I will do everything. I'm not comfortable on social media, pero dahil sa gusto ko ma-build yung trust ng kung sino yung puma-follow sa akin, and being as a mentor, I need to show up to you that I can do this. When I started doing this live, I will make a presentation to explain everything what I have learned. Ganito lang kalaki ang mukha ko sa video. Because I don't want to show myself, but I am willing to share what the business this could bring you. Ganun lang ako kaliit. Pero now, look, medyo up close and personal na. And like I said, I have seen the people dun sa mga ads na sinabi kong, ang cringy naman ng mga video na to. Ayoko silang makita. They're gullible, madaling manipulate. Yun yung mga tingin ko sa mga taong yun. But this time, when I already met people like you, people in the community, alam ko, these are the people who actually have big dreams for their family, big dreams to help the community. When you said it helps you become a better version of you, yun din yung nangyari sa akin. You know what? Yes, I am manipulated. I am manipulated for more personal growth. I am manipulated na my faith becomes stronger. Believe me, like you said, akala mo yung values mo, nasa iyo na. Akala mo yung values mo, akala mo mabuting tao ka na, akala mo okay ka na, akala mo, no, you're not. Dito sa community na to, yes, I could say, oh, I am a proud manipulated person. Because on this business, they even teach me to read more books. They even
That's true.
help me to value more of my time. So,
True.
sige na, ako na yung manipulated. Okay lang ako na manipulated in this kind of
Me,
stuff.
nag-wonder ako. I'm sorry ha. Why
No,
did you
go
use
ahead.
the word manipulated? Why did you use the word manipulated?
Because like I said, we've been talking to different people, right? And they
Right.
actually said, our business is a cult. And the people like us
Okay.
who are in the business is only being manipulated. Manipulated to be in the business and do these things, do these things to follow. No, because you're not in the east side. This is your business. It's your strategy on how you are going to make it successful. Kung gusto
True.
mo ma-manipulate, yeah, exactly, right? So, mahirap i-explain sa mga taong hindi nakakakita kung ano yung ganda ng business. And like I said, you mentioned too, na we are an affiliate on a high ticket company na it's been here for 50 years. Ano pa ba yung kailangang i-prove natin doon, di ba?
Yes.
Parang it won't stay in the industry for this many decades if they're doing such and such things, right? Parang on 50 years, sobrang tibay na niyan. Hindi na kayang matibag yan. May napatunayan na
Yes.
yan. The foundation is
Proven.
solid.
Yes. Yes. We, to those people, me, if I may know, to those people who think that we are manipulated, don't you think we don't have our own minds to do our due diligence, to really know what's best for us, to really know what's inside? If we are manipulated, yes, thank you. Tama kami. Thank you na manipulate tayo. But I beg to disagree that we were manipulated because we have our own minds. We have our own intellect. This business is voluntary. When you come in, it's voluntary. And I don't get it why they say we are manipulated. And ito lang masabi ko talaga. We belong to one of the top online businesses in the world. Yung one of our leaders, no, she was even featured sa business magazine sa New York twice already. Saan ka makahanap ng ganyan? Right? If we are really a cult, sinasabi nila, we are proud to say that we are working with a 50-year-old company. 50, mas matanda pa yan sa iyo. Oh, I mean, that says a lot. That figure alone can tell you na marami nang nadaanan ng negosyong ito. They to stay in the market for 50 years is not a joke. It's not easy. But hey, we are registered in 26 countries and we operate in 43 locations.
That's right. That's right.
Kung skeptical pa kayo, I don't know what's inside your head. This is the solution you have been looking for. We are not easy money. You have to work on this. One thing pa mi na talaga sa akin, yung nakapush sa akin to give this business a try is that when we hop in sa business, yung marketing tools natin andyan na. It is already in place. Ikaw, May, nung nag-start ka dyan sa restaurant mo, you had to do everything. Right, May?
Yes.
Everything. As in,
everything.
Yung marketing mo, yung mga silya mo dyan.
Lahat operations.
Lahat operations, yes. Logistics and all that. Inventory, no? Kami, dito sa business natin, we didn't have to worry about anything. You have your sales funnel ready for you, world-class na training site. Taught by the expert, made by the expert. Punta kayo dito, tingnan nyo. Tingnan natin kung hindi kayo magpa-thank you sa amin. Right, Me? Lifetime mentorship and coaching. Saan ka makahanap ng ganyan? Lifetime, Me. So those are just some of the perks, no? Or the most important thing why I joined in. Kasi talagang everything is in place. All we need to do is hop in, no? At saka, sino ba naman yung merong business model na katulad sa atin? I don't think there
Yes.
is any other
Mm.
business dyan who has the same business model like ours,
Yeah.
no? Automated
Yes.
na. It's working for you
Oo.
24/7. Pagising ko kaninang umaga, meron akong bagong business partner. Where in the world can you get that? Right? No? So, we're just so blessed to be here. We earn, we
Yes.
travel, flexible siya, we can take it with you. Restaurant mo, hindi mo yan madala, right?
Hindi talaga. Oo, there's so
Yes.
tapos on the digital business, kaya nga pinili ko rin 'to. That's the reason why I am staying in here. I know we came for the
Yes.
money, but we also have the option to work at our own terms. Imagine I'm
True.
running a full service restaurant and I'm running the digital business as well. We went to the Philippines last July and my
Mm-mm.
automation, my email automation is working in the background. So nag-have fun
Mm-mm.
ako kasama ng pamilya ko. The restaurant is closed, pero yung digital
Mm-mm.
business ko it's running.
It's running.
Alam mo yung tapos you mentioned pa the mentorship is lifetime. Again, you could work at your own terms, you could learn at your own terms. Walang magsasabi sa'yo na, oh, by Friday, kailangan matapos mo to. Or by Tuesday, kailangan masubmit mo to. No, nothing like that. Everything is provided for you. Sabi nga, 90% na yung provided, 10% na lang yung gagawin mo. Ay, alam mo yung story na lahat na ibinigay sa'yo, pero kung wala kang gagawin, alam mo yung may kwento, may analogy din na halimbawa, parang thirsty yung kabayo, ibinigay mo na lahat, yung tubig, yung container para inumin na lang nung kabayo. Kung ayaw nung kabayo na inumin yung tubig na binigay mo, they are not going to drink it. So same with our business. We are going to offer everything to you, the coaching, the mentorship, the panel, the sales panel, the email marketing. But if you're not going to do something on the business that we are giving to you, hindi ka magiging successful. No.
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 And no, they will just stay forever working until they grow old and gray.
Oo,
Grouchy.
yes.
Tatlong G's. Okay, tatlong G's and me. Grow old, grouchy, and gray. Oh, saan ka? Dito ka? Or grow old gracefully sa tatlong G din dito, grow old gracefully. Or dito ka sa tatlo, grow old, grouchy, and, gray. O, saan ka?
Exactly, right? It's just always a matter of decision, right? It's always a matter of choice.
Mindset
Yes.
talaga. As in, at saka dito kami, one also of the perks of being in this business is we just talk about the things that we love and love doing, right? Kasi we do lifestyle marketing, right?
Yes.
And we connect with people if you love to talk to people. And, that's the creative part of you is honed. Di ba? So nagustuhan ko rin ito dahil artist ako, di ba? So,
yes.
Magiging artist ko lumalabas talaga dito and I really love what I'm doing.
Yeah, exactly.
Thank you, Lord.
Like we mentioned, this is not a hobby. This is a work that you really have to put your effort, commitment, and discipline. Work siya, business mo. So, but it doesn't feel like work because you enjoy what you are doing. Diba? Ako, Diyos ko, we could talk to this all day. Hindi ito matatapos.
All day talaga, Mi. Oo, talaga. As in.
Okay,
talaga.
I know it's already afternoon there. Pero, like I said, we could talk about this over and over and over. Pero, siguro last question na before we close. What can you say or to those who wanting to have their own business and dun sa mga nandito na pero hindi pa nila pinupush yung sarili nila. Any message, Ruby?
Andito na, pero yung isang paa andun pa sa labas. So that means they are contemplating, ang skepticism is 80%. I don't know why you are skeptical. You have all the freedom to study this business. Nakita mo, andyan kayo sa community natin, right? They're there in the community. They have seen how much we earn, diba? How we enjoy our lives now. So my advice sa kanila talaga, Mi, is like this. Seriously speaking, you have to sit down and ask yourself, bakit ako nandito?
Oo.
Why am I here? Why did I want to uh, uh, watch that pre-coaching video? So you have to make a decision. You cannot just stay there forever sa fence.
Mm.
Ano ka lang? Ano, coach? You're not a coach. You have to be the CEO of your business. Or you are afraid to be scammed. Come on. Sa mukha namin ito, scammers ba kami? Me, I am one person who's not easily to convince. I'm not easily convinced with anything. So kung ito, i-present mo ito sa akin, hindi ako maniniwala kasi I have to do my research too.
Yes.
And after that,
Mhm.
when you find something, you have research on something, come to a decision. Kasi the more you drag it, the more you waste your time, the more you waste your potential to reach your
Yes.
goal. No?
Yes.
As of today, we are already 227,000 strong with members coming from all corners of the globe. Sinabi ko nga kanina, name any profession that you can think of. Hanapin natin dito sila. Kasi 100% sure, andito sila sa loob. Just like sa team ko lang, Mino, I have 4 lab scientists here. I have
Wow.
engineers here. I have nurses here. May doktor ako. These people, common sense will tell us, these people, they're smart. And
Yes.
why did they even think of, to have this business? Because they have learned something during, yung health crisis natin. Right? And aside from that, they want to retire early as well. Sino ba naman, Mi, hindi gusto mag-retire early, Mi? Diba?
Yes.
Sino ba naman, no? So if your skepticism comes from not believing in yourself, that you cannot make it here, I want you to open your mind, no? Lahat kami na nag-start dito, we thought we cannot make it too. But because of your burning why, because yung why mo, andyan na na ayoko na matrabaho. Ayoko, napapagod na ako. Yung katawan ko talagang, giving up na.
Yes.
This is the best opportunity for you to step out from that box, from your work, from waking up sa alarm clock, from begging your boss for that 2-week vacation na minsan hindi pa maibigay sa'yo.
Oo.
That's why we never get tired. Yes, me. That's why we never get tired of sharing this we cannot keep this to ourselves lang, me. No? And anong pinahanap mo? Perfect time? There's no such thing as perfect time. The right time is now. If you care enough for your health, for your children, and for the future of your children, hop in. We will be here to hold your hand. We will be here to support you. Mimi is a very good, she's been a skeptical person.
110%.
110%. And now, why do you think she lasted here? Why do you think she's still here? Because Mimi and I and the rest of our business partners, we have seen the high potential of this business. I'm doing this full-time now, Mi.
Oo, congrats. Yes.
Talikuran ko yung aking senior ER nurse salary.
Yes.
So, yan, come and join us. No, we will be here. The community is really supportive. Kami ni Mimi, we're not related economically, right, Mi? But we help each other. Isang text lang ako ni Mimi, sabi niya, sis, are you open for interview? Sabi ko, okay, sige, let's go, let's do this. Di ba, Mi? So, welcome to the family. We want to welcome you right away.
Yeah, and it's so crazy, right? Like, I couldn't even remember when did I first see you.
I think that's January or February last year. This year.
Yeah, imagine. And then, almost end of the year, bago parang nag-giveaway si God talaga na we should connect. Alam mo yung God
Yes.
will really make a way for you to see. Everything happens for a reason.
True.
Imagine, I don't
I
know
agree.
you, and then now we got connected. When I message you, I don't even know if you are going to say yes or no. You know,
Very short lang yung message mo, Mi. Remember that? Very short lang
yes,
yun.
yes, because I know you are busy. I know you have time is precious.
Yes.
So very direct. Hindi na ako magpapasik ligoy-ligoy pa. I want you to be on my page kasi somehow parang nakita na kita. Tapos nakita kita ulit. Sabi ko, I need you. I need you to be on my page. You should be on my page kasi
Thank you. It was an
I am
honor
sharing my
talaga.
business journey. And I wanted the people who I met here in the community be part of my business as well. Parang we are talking at the backstage, parang you have no idea how moved I am. Parang ano ba yung mga nangyayari sa akin dito sa community doon sa digital business. Yes, I started because I've seen the great income potential of the company. But how many people I have met that they are doing this because they wanted to share the same opportunity to the other people because it changed their life. I know it
True.
sounds corny pag sinabi mong, no, this business will change your life. It actually does. Kaya lang hindi mo makikita yun unless you don't give yourself a chance to check out this opportunity. Minsan, binibigay na sa'yo ni Lord. Kagaya ko, ilang beses nang nagdaan sa akin yung ads. Pero I blocked them. Pero sinabi ng Diyos siguro sa akin, no, you really need to see this. You need to see this. Kasi my friend, she's in Denmark. We don't usually chat. Pero alam mo yung when you have really true friends na kahit hindi kayo mag-usap pero isang chat lang niya sa'yo, you will connect like right away. She is that kind of friend. So kaya nga nung kinamusta niya ako, nag-reply ako agad. Tapos, yes, I think maybe it is a scam. Pero sabi ko, hindi ako bibigyan ng scam ng friend ko because
True.
she doesn't want that for me. She wants success for me because I know she loves me.
Yes.
Imagine that. So I know, I said, God has given me ways. Like I said, I met people like you. I met a lot of people who are actually, money is money. But when you help people, I have an accountability partner on this business too. And then you could select your own team, right?
Yes.
When I asked her, why are you looking for accountability partner? And she answered me, she said, because I wanted to share what I have learned in the business to others. Yun yung sagot niya. Parang sobrang selfless naman nun. And then I have another one who I interviewed. She's originally from India and now living in Toronto. And I asked her, what is your biggest achievement in the company? And she said, when my mentee went up to the stage.
Wow.
She doesn't say the money. She didn't mention the money. We know how much money we could get on this business.
True.
Like you start earning 5 digits already.
Yes.
Right? Pero yung service na naibigay mo, yung tulong na nakita mo, yung achievement na nakita mo na because you help them, ibang level.
Me, isa pa, just one thing more. If you I don't know if you have noticed it sa aking business page, no? I don't flaunt how much I earn.
Income.
I can only say, okay, I don't post figures. You know why? People get lured with money kaagad, and then they come in and they don't want to take responsibility over their business and then just wait there for the money to come. It does not go that way. Diba? This has to be learned. That's why my mentorship, lifetime na mentorship ito. So, kailangan, this is, you will be your own, you will be the CEO. Right? So, kailangan magiging role model ka sa mga business partners mo. Right? So, talagang, kung natatakot ka rin, aside from that, no, natatakot sila to become sinabi mo. Don't allow people to tell you that this business cannot be done. because it can be done. Kami ni Mimi, wala kaming alam dito sa laptop na ito. Mi, 13 years ako, Mi, na walang Facebook, Mi. 13 years. So let's not give the paintbrush to someone else. We will paint our future the way we want it, the way God wants it for you. So we pray that we have reminded you, gentle reminder lang, that you are right now watching us for a reason.
Yes.
Right? So listen to what God is telling you. That's why I told them to pull themselves on the side and really confront yourself and talk to God. Lord, is this for me? Because you will hear his voice. You will hear what he wants to tell you. Yes, so yun me. This business has blessed me, my family, Mimi, and the rest of us in the community. And we want this to be your story as well. Right,
That's
me?
right.
To inspire
That's
other
right.
people.
Yeah, you know, this is very an interesting discussion with you. I know they call you Bing. I could call you
Bing,
Bing
yes,
too.
yes.
Bing, when I started the business, I actually studied all the other successful independent business owner. I met one business owner. She's in the traditional. She's not on the online business. Same
Yes.
company, affiliated with same company, but she's doing the traditional one.
Oh, yeah.
I watch every strategy meeting or Zoom meeting that she has presented in every country. I followed her. Tapos, sabi ko, makakakuha ako ng mga tips, ng mga corporate tips para how to become successful. You know, she never even shared any. Wala akong napulot na aral sa kanya with regards to management tips or corporate tips. She only talks about God. She said anything before she starts the business. Kung magta-traditional, kung merong mga Zoom meeting like that, sharing the traditional business, if she is going to share the business, what she's doing, all she has to mention is to pray. She said she always starts everything with a prayer. Everything with a prayer. Ako, with a very skeptical mind, parang ganito pa ako, sabi ko, ayoko nito. Kasi it would be business and it feels to me like talking about government and government and religion. Hindi siya pwedeng mag-collide. Sabi ko, I was frustrated because I said I never gained any tips from her. Sabi ko, wala akong nakuhang tips, wala akong nakuhang man lang, guidance. But you know what, while being on the business, now I know what she's talking about. Because my faith really becomes stronger. So ngayon, alam ko na yung sinasabi niya na, magdasal ka lang. Magdasal ka lang. Always starts everything that you do with a prayer. Napoprostrate ka, like we said, this is not an instant reach quick. Napoprostrate ka because you feel that nothing's going to happen to your business. You just pray. Surrender everything to God.
And do the work as well. And do the work as well.
Yes, do the work. Wag puro dasal. Yeah, wag puro dasal. Of course, God has to say that you are working as well. But what I am saying is like, yes, it could be like an ups and down business as well. Like here sa traditional business namin, meron ding ups and down. Marami.
Oh, yes.
Me. Do the work and then
yes.
surrender.
There are challenges, but allow God to be your God. Right?
Yes.
There are tasks to do. Right? There are tasks to do. Do that and allow God to be your God. When I started, I was also a bit ashamed to flaunt ko ang aking journey with the Lord, no? But ay sinasabi, wag natin siyang ikahiya, right? So
yes.
I stood my ground. I always talk about him and how he has been really holding my hand, and he is my ultimate coach, no? True enough, nakikita talaga the power of what he can do sa business na ito.
You know what? Because like you mentioned that, When I watch her saying that mag-pray ka lang with the business, the next day, it was a Sunday and I have to go to the church. You know, yung opening song nila when the priests are entering the church, the altar. The song lyrics, I can't remember what's the title of it, pero the song hit me so hard because I question God. Sinabi ko na, hindi ko pwedeng i-connect ang religion sa business ko. Ayoko. Hindi pwede. Kailangan, when I talk about business, I'm only going to talk about business. And that next morning when I attended the church, yung opening song pa lang, nasa opening song pa lang ako. Yung, ang sinabi na here I am to worship, here I am to bow down, here I am, you know, parang dun sa lyrics nung kanta, parang, ikaw nga ang napili ko to spread my words.
You're chosen. Yeah.
Yes, I have seen a lot of independent owners that changed their life because of this business. So parang, andito ka na sa business na to, share it with the others.
True.
This is the reason why I showed the business to you because I want you to be the instrument to spread the words to others. Alam mo, umiyak talaga ako. Sabi ko, I'm sorry, I question you. Sabi ko, I'm so sorry. Di parang sobra kasi I am on that level na, no, I'm not. I'm not going to share my business and then religion. No, it's not going to happen. Tapos, the next morning, parang kinausap naman niya ako agad na, ito yung sinasabi ko sa'yo. I know, call me mababaw, pero yun talaga yung nangyari.
No, it's not. Actually, me, it's like this. We are not sharing religion with them. We are sharing our journey with God, our lifestyle with God in it, right? So you cannot just set mo siya aside because we know the fact that He is the one. Kaya sabi ko sa iyo kanina, I cannot boast of anything. Kasi I'm just doing kahit anong advertisement mo pa, kahit anong ganda ng kung ano. If it's not His will for that person to say yes to you, right? So, there should be really balance there. We are not talking about religion. We're talking about our lifestyle with God. Yun. Just people will not misinterpret us, right?
Oo, yes.
Ang ganda ng topic natin, Mi.
Oo nga, ano ba yan? Nasimulan kasi, ewan ko. No, we started with the prayer, kaya okay lang. So, we are at attraction marketing and then this is what we are doing. We are showing you what is the lifestyle of a digital independent business owners like me and Bing. This is what we are doing. I mean, everybody knows how much income you have as an ER nurse. Tapos, it was replaced. I mean, imagine you're full-time now on your digital business. Again, this is in exchange of effort, hard work, and commitment as well. We put time on. Exactly. But like we said, I know we get busy. I know it is hard work. But when you enjoy what you're doing, it doesn't feel like work at all. To end this, Bing, any last message before I call it end?
Marami tayong Okay. Last message to you. I always say this sa lahat ng interview ko, you're not a tree. Okay, if you don't like where you are right now, do something. Kung mag-split ka man, do something about it. Move. You have the freedom to move. God has blessed us with the will. Yan lang isang na hindi matatouch ng Panginoon. No? We have the will. We have the freedom to move. It's yours. Take it. Andito na kami. Oh, we're just waiting for you. This business will change your life as it has changed mine, Mimi's, and 1,000 others around the world. We're here to welcome you, to help you, to guide you, and until you can fly on your own. Kumbaga, we will help you build your strong wings to be able to fly on your own. The time to move is now. Yun lang, Mi. Mi, maraming salamat talaga. Let's have a take two. Another episode. We'll talk about other topics.
I think we should, right? Yeah. Thank you so much for your time. Sobrang na-appreciate ko. Like I said, I met you a while ago, and I never knew that God will make a way again to bring you on my page. Thank you for saying yes. Thank you for your time. Like,
My pleasure.
I hope everyone hear that you are not a tree. Move. Ang ganda nun. Ang ganda nung sinabi mong yun. Thank you, Bing. Thank you so much to those who are watching right now. Yes, me and Bing are offering a free webinar. You could check it out. If you wanted to know more information, we have a 149 fee that is 13 days guaranteed. It's refundable. I am a refunder
Yes.
myself. So, nakuha ko yung 149 ko back. So, it is not a scam. Ganun ako ka-skeptical, like I mentioned.
Wow.
That's for another topic. Again, Bing, thank you so much. Thank you dun sa mga nanonood.
Thank
And
you
if you
too.
are watching replay, comment where are you watching from, because this is a global business. Yun lang. God bless us, everyone. Thank you so much. Bye.
To God be the glory. Bye-bye.